Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The excitement for the 2026 Prevost Motorhome is around the ongoing development of a brand that is known for unmatched elegance, cutting-edge engineering, and custom craftsmanship in the recreational vehicle industry. The 2026 versions, which are based on Prevost's sturdy and painstakingly designed bus chassis, are anticipated to be the pinnacle of mobile luxury, serving affluent customers who have high expectations for performance, comfort, and technology. A 2026 Prevost Motorhome's exterior will probably have a tasteful fusion of sophisticated style and useful practicality. The custom coach builders who use these chassis will surely create exteriors with sleek lines, integrated lighting systems, and the smooth integration of amenities like slide-outs and outdoor entertainment centers, even as the underlying structure enjoys the commercial-grade durability of Prevost. The best quality paint finishes are anticipated, frequently with multi-layer coatings and unique designs that capture the owner's own preferences. A 2026 Prevost Motorhome's interior promises to be incredibly luxurious. The living areas will be tastefully furnished with high-end materials including exotic hardwoods, soft leathers, and custom textiles. With features like spa-like bathrooms with upscale fixtures, gourmet kitchens with professional-grade appliances, and entertainment systems that rival those found in luxury houses, floor plans will probably be very adjustable. The onboard experience will be further improved by integrated smart home technology, soundproofing, and advanced climate management. A powerful and smooth driving experience will remain a top priority for the engineering behind the 2026 Prevost Motorhome. These motorhomes, which are built on Prevost's well-proven chassis, have strong suspension systems, strong diesel engines, and cutting-edge braking technology. Modern instrumentation, easy-to-use controls, and cutting-edge safety measures will probably be found in the driver's cockpit, guaranteeing comfort and security while driving. Furthermore, more sustainable technologies might be incorporated as fuel efficiency and environmental concerns improve. Without a doubt, the 2026 Prevost Motorhome will dominate the RV market, attracting buyers who appreciate individualized elegance and unwavering excellence. These cars are mobile estates rather than just means of transportation, able to offer a smooth transition between the conveniences of a luxury home and the flexibility of travel. Prevost, standing as a pioneer in the luxury motorcoach market, is cemented by the degree of personalization that guarantees every motorhome may be customized to the exact needs and aesthetic tastes of its owner. It is anticipated that by continuing to innovate in design, technology, and the whole travel experience, the 2026 models will further cement this heritage.